Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Use of Python. Have you ever wondered what powers the tech tools you use every single day? Meet Python. Python is a versatile, easy-to-read programming language used for building websites, automating repetitive work, analyzing data, and creating artificial intelligence applications. Its commands look very similar to everyday English, making it one of the most popular tools for beginners and professional developers alike. One of the biggest uses of Python today is in data science and artificial intelligence. Python is the top choice for engineers working with huge amounts of data. It helps build smart algorithms and train complex AI models, like the ones that generate text or recognize images. If a company works with data, chances are they use Python. Let us look at a real-world example: Netflix. Whenever you open Netflix, Python is hard at work behind the scenes. Netflix uses Python to analyze what movies and shows you watch. Then, it runs machine learning algorithms to recommend personalized shows to millions of subscribers. Python also helps Netflix manage its server security and infrastructure. Python is also a superpower in web development. While front-end languages handle how a website looks, Python handles the back-end, the logic, database connections, and user security behind the scenes. Developers rely on powerful Python frameworks like Django and Flask to build fast, secure back-end systems that power modern websites around the world. Tired of boring, repetitive computer work? Python can fix that. With Python, you can write short scripts to automate repetitive daily tasks. This includes organizing hundreds of files, scraping data from websites, updating huge spreadsheets automatically, or sending routine emails. Python does the work for you in seconds. Why should you start learning Python? Unlike many older programming languages filled with complicated symbols and strict rules, Python has a very clean and simple structure. Because its syntax feels like reading plain English, it reduces the learning curve for beginners and helps professional developers write code much faster. To wrap up, Python is a high-level, flexible language used everywhere from web development with Django and Flask, to automation, data science, and AI at companies like Netflix. Its simple structure makes it the perfect entry point into tech. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.